Bruh, oh my god. My clutch just fucking blew up on me. I was just on my way home, driving normally, and then suddenly the car wouldn't go into gear. Or like I was trying to go into third, and I was like, this feels weird. It was like hard to go in. And then I tried to go into reverse. See, I tried to go into reverse, and it grinded, and then it got stuck in reverse. Then suddenly the car started smoking, and I popped the hood, and the transmission is smoking, and I'm pretty sure I just fucking blew up my car. I wasn't even doing anything. I was just driving normally. So now I need a clutch, and this shit is burning. What the fuck?
That's what failed, dude. Right
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Did you start hearing weird noise when you pressing the clutch?
No.
Usually the symptoms. It makes noise when you pressing the clutch. Man, this thing just grenaded, dude.
Holy shit. Hey.
Turn the light. Yep.
Oh my god.
We'll clean that. We're gonna clean this up, lube this up. These two. Alright, move this out of the way. Alright, we can take that off before I do it.
Oh my god. Dude, that is smoked.
That's 10 now.
Yeah, all 10s. Jeez.
What's my number? On a slip, hit that.
Oh my god, look at those metal shards. Wow. That's a throwback. Yeah. All this scarring on the flywheel. Yeah. I know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, it's a good thing I got a flywheel.